Investing in high-quality staples is the key. Picture yourself slipping into a beautifully tailored blazer that fits like a glove, or a crisp white shirt that looks fresh and polished every time you wear it. Hi ladies, welcome back to my channel. Hello, are you ready to unlock the secrets to always looking classy and effortlessly elegant? Whether you're heading to a brunch with friends, a professional meeting, or a glamorous evening out, embracing a classy style can make you feel confident and radiant. So, let's embark on this cheerful journey together as we explore some delightful tips and tricks to keep you looking your very best. First and foremost, let's talk about the foundation of a classy wardrobe. Investing in high-quality wardrobe staples is key. Picture yourself slipping into a beautifully tailored blazer that fits like a glove, or a crisp white shirt that looks fresh and polished every time you wear it. These timeless pieces never go out of style and can be effortlessly paired with almost anything. Imagine the versatility you'll have. A classic little black dress, for example, can take you from a day at the office to a night out on the town with just a change of accessories. Isn't that exciting? For more on this, you can check out our other videos where we discussed about it in detail. To enjoy more videos like this, please subscribe to our channel. Now, let's dive into color. Choosing a neutral color palette can work wonders for your wardrobe. Think soft beiges, chic blacks, and crisp whites that allow for endless combinations. This approach not only simplifies your outfit choices, but also creates a harmonious look that screams sophistication. Plus, you can easily add a pop of color with accessories or statement pieces to keep things fun and lively. How about a vibrant scarf or a bold handbag to brighten up your ensemble? The possibilities are endless, and it's all about expressing your unique personality while maintaining that classy vibe. Speaking of accessories, let's shine a spotlight on their importance. Accessories are like the cherry on top of your style sundae. They have the power to elevate even the simplest outfits and turn heads wherever you go. Opt for minimalistic jewelry. A dainty necklace or a pair of elegant earrings can adjust the right touch of glamour without overwhelming your look. And don't forget about your handbag. A structured, sophisticated bag is not only practical but also a fabulous way to make a statement. Choose classic footwear. 2. A pair of sleek heels or chic flats can complete your outfit beautifully. Remember, it's all about those delightful finishing touches that make you feel oh so fabulous. Now, let's not overlook the importance of grooming. It's a crucial element of looking classy. A neat hairstyle can instantly elevate your appearance. Whether you prefer sleek and straight locks or soft, bouncy curls, a well-groomed hairstyle enhances your overall elegance. And when it comes to makeup, less is often more. A natural look with a hint of color on your cheeks and a swipe of lipstick can bring out your best features and give you that radiant glow. Remember, the goal is to enhance your natural beauty and feel great about yourself. Confidence is key. The way you carry yourself speaks volumes about your style. Good posture not only helps you look poised, but also radiates an aura of confidence. Stand tall, shoulders back, and wear a warm, genuine smile. Trust me, it's contagious. When you feel good about yourself, it shows, and others will be drawn to your positive energy. Your confidence is the ultimate accessory that will make you shine in any outfit. Lastly, let's talk about the joy of self-expression. Fashion is a wonderful way to showcase who you are and what makes you unique. Don't be afraid to experiment with different styles and trends. Mix and match colors or try out new patterns. Embrace the fun of fashion. Remember, elegance doesn't mean being boring. It's about finding what makes you feel fabulous and owning it with a cheerful spirit. In conclusion, always looking classy is all about embracing timeless style tips and infusing your wardrobe with joy and personality. By investing in quality pieces, choosing a versatile color palette, accessorizing thoughtfully, and maintaining good grooming, you can create an effortlessly elegant look that makes you feel fantastic. Combine this with a confident attitude and a cheerful outlook, and you will undoubtedly leave a lasting impression wherever you go. So, dear ladies, let's take these tips to heart and step out into the world with grace and style. Remember, elegance is not just what you wear, it's how you carry yourself and the joy you bring to those around you. Here's to always looking classy and feeling fabulous. Let's shine together. I hope you took away something from this video. Share with us how you create a classy look and subscribe. Have fun, ladies.